I'm Isabella and I'm studying Social Innovation, which is a specialization into International Leisure and Events Management at Breda University of Applied Sciences. I think that events is a way of escaping the ordinary life and the daily routine. And I think it's also a way to gather people together, create communities and create lifestyles. When I was younger, I started to go to festivals and all kinds of events, and I really enjoyed it. So I wanted to do something meaningful also with my future and try to organize events for the future. Yeah. I mainly choose BUAS because of the international aspects and also because of the location of Breda, because I think it's well connected to Belgium and Germany. So these are the main reasons, I would say. I think it's really the added value of the university because you can really feel the informal relationship with the teachers and with the staff. And for example, when you're having a class, you can really feel welcomed and it's nice to conversate with the teachers. The small-scale character of the university really helps me to find my way through the university because every face is familiar to me, although of course I don't know everyone, but I feel welcomed and I feel that I'm part of a community, so that's really important for me as an international student. For example, my class was composed by around 20 students and 7 of them were internationals. So this means that the percentage of international students was pretty high, and that was really great for me as Italian student. And I really loved this small class because I could interact with everyone in a really friendly and easy way. I think a good network with the students, people, but also with companies. And that's also why I choose Breda, because it gives a lot of opportunity to interact with companies. As international students, I think it's really important to find an international friendly university. Walking around the university, you can hear many languages like Bulgarian, Italian, Spanish. I think that for Dutch students it's also relevant to choose an English track because it's an exchange of cultures. So you have the Dutch nationality and many other European and worldwide nationalities. And I think for them is really an added value if you can interact with people from all around the world. I would describe BUAS as an international friendly environment where growth and innovation take place. To the new students, I would advise to take their time and relax, because I know that at the beginning there are a lot of new information and it could be hard to settle down, but eventually with the time everything will be alright, so just take your time. I would say that every student should experience the intro week, but also the stress of the deadlines, because it's the thing that makes you excited and at the same time challenge you to study.